Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about making this a website. We've downloaded the documents and we created a document portfolio from that, which is this. But now we can actually convert this to a website, so that all you have to do is to paste a web address instead of uploading a PDF file. So coming back here, we are still going to use the same document. It's still going to be the one we're going to convert to website using Canva. So all I want to do is to click on the share button, and having to click on the share button, I'll click on see all, and having to see all, I'm going to see website. So that's what I want to do. So I'll say website, and this is where the conversion comes in. So we're going to convert it to a website. As you could see, look at the website right here. So that will be a website, and all you have to do is to create a site address. So you could say billardportfolio.my.canva.site, or you can use a custom domain name, but for now you are not meant to buy anything, so it has to be a free portfolio. So we're going to use this particular domain, which is Canva domain. Then you could come to settings to come and set every other thing. So you could just change this description to social media management portfolio, something like that. So you say social media management portfolio. So you can make sure search engine visibility is there, social media link preview is there, and not password protection. So you don't need to put the password protection. So we have that as the settings. Then we go back, and having to go back, all we have to do is to publish. It's as easy as that. So creating a website portfolio on Canva is as simple as that. So what you want to do now is that you have a web address. All you have to do is to copy this web address and make sure you have it saved. And this web address, all it wants to do is to take people to the website of your portfolio. So I could open this in another tab. So I could come here to open this, and I'll paste it. So this is the address to my portfolio. This is the address. So I'm going to access it from here, and right now it's going to take me to my portfolio, which is a website. But you could see, so it's going to be in form of a website. So this takes them to the slide of what you've done, and it's going to just display as a website. And you could do more settings to the way you want your website to appear, but basically we just did that, and here we have it. So if you continue editing the design, you need to publish it again. So if you edit, you have to publish again to make sure the website stays updated. So it's as easy as that, and you could see we just created a portfolio in form of a document and a website. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.